Hello. In this video, we'll walk through the complete workflow for creating, editing, and updating a traffic signs report. To create a report, go to the Kobi Signs Stripes ribbon and select Traffic Signs Report. A new dialog box opens up. Here, you can define the table title and style or open additional settings. We'll first go into the settings dialog and change the traffic sign image size factor from auto to 2. By selecting Edit Columns, you can choose which attributes appear in the report, define their order, and customize the column names. In our case, we want to include detailed sign information, which should appear in the report as description. We select OK. Back in the main dialog, we select how the report should be sorted. We will sort it by station. After confirming, we can simply place the generated report directly in the drawing. Now, let's have a look at what happens if we edit multiple signs at once. To do this, go to the Kobi Signs Stripes ribbon and select Edit Multiple Sign Holders. We'll select all signs assigned to alignment Road A and reassign them to Road B and apply the changes. After any kind of changes, you will want your traffic signs report to reflect the current state. To update the report, simply select Update Traffic Signs Report command, and the report will refresh automatically, updating traffic signs, station values, placement sides, alignments, and any other attributes that appear in the report. In a similar scenario, let's add an additional traffic sign. With Update Traffic Signs Report, the new sign instantly appears in the report, keeping everything accurate and up to date. That's how easily you can create, customize, and keep your traffic signs report up to date using Kobi Signs and Stripes.